Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer Robinhood to Vanguard. First, if you don't already have one, open a Vanguard brokerage account. Next, find your Robinhood account number. To do this, log in to the Robinhood app. Tap the person icon in the bottom right. Then the menu icon in the top right and select Investing. Scroll down and you'll see your account number listed. Next, go to the Vanguard website or mobile app and look for the option to transfer an account. Choose to transfer from another brokerage, then select Robinhood as the firm. Enter your Robinhood account details, including your account number. Decide whether you want a full transfer of all your assets or just a partial transfer. Review your information carefully and then submit the transfer request. And that's it. That's how to transfer Robinhood to Vanguard. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.